Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make a half kg cake in a kadai, but with decoration and delivery. First take a mixing bowl with strainer. Then take half cup of maida, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, half tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus a pinch of salt. Then sieve them all together. And then after sieving, mix them well. Now keep it aside. Now grease 3 into 6-inch mold. And then take another mixing bowl. Now take 2 large eggs which has a room temperature. Now add half cup of sugar. Beat it until it has a foamy consistency for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil plus half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Again beat it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add our dry ingredients in 2 to 3 times. Mix them gently with folding methods. And make no lumps batter. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Our batter is now ready. Now pour the batter in our greased mold. Tap it 2 to 3 times. Place the mold in 5 minutes preheated pan for 20 to 25 minutes on medium low flame. After 25 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake, and if the peak comes clean, then the cake is baked well. Now take half cup of whipped cream which is chilled. Beat it until it has a stiff fake on low speed for 4 to 5 minutes. Now our cream frosting is ready. After cooling, demold the cake and cut it into slices. Now let's start cake crumb coating. After crumb coating it well, now refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's start cake icing. After icing the cake well, now let's refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Now take half cup of white choco chips, 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. Now microwave it for 30 seconds or melt with double boiler ways. Now let's add our food color. We are going to add a pink food color. You guys can add any food color you want. And now with that melted choco chips, we are going to decorate it in our style however we want. You guys can copy the same design if you want, or you guys can do a different design. Now we are going to decorate it with some cute bows. You guys can add any decoration if you want. Now let's make a real bow. You guys can follow whatever steps my mother is doing. If you want to see a separate video for a bow tutorial, you guys can see it on my mother's channel. It is already there. After adding the bow, our cake is ready. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.